Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix YouTube error 400 on Android. If you are seeing an error on your YouTube, something like this, so let's see how can you fix it. You just have to go back, and basically it's the error due to incorrect date and time settings. So first you have to make sure that your date and time is correctly set. So go to your phone settings. In settings, you must have to search for date and time. Just search for it and then open the settings, and after that you have to make sure that your date and time is automatically set it to your time zone. So after that, but if you're still having the same issue, you have to keep a long press on your YouTube app, then select app info, and here you have to tap on storage and cache. You have to clear all cache files or clear storage of your YouTube app, and after that you have to check. Here you can see my problem has been almost solved. But if you are still having the same issue, you have to check your internet connection if it's stable or unstable. You have to enable your airplane mode briefly for 10 or 15 seconds, and after that just disable it. It will make a quick refresh in your network settings, and after that just go back, and here you have to check for the YouTube updates. So go to Play Store app, and here go to search bar and search for YouTube. Just search for it, and here you have to make sure that your YouTube app is up to date as mine. But if there is any update available, you have to update your YouTube app, and after that just go back and check your YouTube if it's still working or not. But if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your phone settings, then go to main settings, and here you have to look for system update in your phone. So look for system update. Here's that. Just tap on it, and here you have to make sure that your phone system is up to date, because sometimes the system update is not installed and it might error some apps. So you have to make sure that your phone system is up to date, and after that you have to make a restart of your phone. So just press and hold the power button and then tap on restart your phone, and after that your YouTube error will be fixed and you will be able to use your YouTube on your Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.